Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amber Cherries, and today we are doing March's Boxycharm unboxing. Now, last month, I will admit I was very unhappy with the box. Not because of the items within it, but because they didn't package it really, and they didn't provide the pamphlet that tells you what the items are and the directions how to use them, or the prices of them. So I was very unhappy with the box last month, so let's see if it has changed for this month and if they got better. Usually they don't do that. Usually it's nicely packaged. They have the little pamphlet, tells you a little bit of codes, tell you the directions, tell you what each item is, etc. But let's see. I mean, it feels full. Like nothing's moving in here. Last month it was moving all over the place, but nothing's moving in here. So it feels full. Now I'm just gonna open the box carefully. There. Let's see what's inside. It's not packaged, and I don't see a pamphlet. What is going on with this? I don't know how to feel about this. It's okay. It's not moving because it's packed with items. Like there's items in here that's keeping it tight together, but there's no like wrapping that's keeping it looking nice and keeping it still. And there's no pamphlet that I see. So let me just dig in real quick. Yeah, no pamphlet. So we're just gonna have to guess what these items are. Obviously some of them will have names on them, but how to use them is beyond me. Because some of these don't have directions on them and they don't have prices on them. So I will try looking for the prices online while I'm editing, and I'll try putting them in the video for you so you guys have an idea. So first things first. Sirens going off. You go save those people. You go do your job. I hope whoever they're going for is okay. We get a lot of sirens around here. Alright, the first thing first is Sultra Beauty 19mm or 0.75 inches mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip. Pastel yellow. So this is what the bag looks like without opening it. Open it up. It comes in like a really weird. I don't like that texture. I don't like that texture at all. Makes you not want to touch it. Compact design. Topa-line ceramic barrels, professional salon, quality, fast heat up and recovery. Max temperature is 370 Fahrenheit. 1.8 milli. Swivel cord. Ergonomic grip handle. Dual voltage of 110 to 240 volts. Worldwide use. That sound hurts my teeth. And then I felt it when it rubs. I don't like the feeling of people rubbing their feet against carpet. It hurts my teeth for some reason. And when I rub my hands against certain cloths, it's the same thing. Like I start hurting my teeth. And anyone has that? I'm like the only one who has that problem. This comes with a use code BOXY25 for 25% off. Push my hair to the side so I can actually feel. What? It is small. I mean, this is my hand. It's smaller than my hand. It's on off, so you don't control the temperature. It's just whatever they give you. It does have a little thing to hold the wand up. And it is yellow. It is pastel yellow. And do I like the color? So if you would like to see me do a hair curling tutorial, just let me know. I don't know if I'll use that one or if I'll use another one. But okay, what else to do? Let's go for this. Becca Ultimate Lip Definer. A high impact precision lip liner with a built-in sharpener. The always sharp formula effortlessly contours and defines the lips with the perfect balance of color and precision. Apply to lips to define, sculpt, and enhance your natural pout. It's toasty. Looks like a color I would use. Yeah, it looks like a color I would use. This is the color it is. That's the color. It's like a mauve pink. It's very pretty. I probably would use it. Chilla. It looks like tweezers. I have so many tweezers. Oh, this one's tough. Takes some pressure. That's what it looks like. It has a unique little handle to grip on. It feels like it's sharp. Like, it feels sharp. Like I could stab someone with this. Next, Living in Color palette by Hank and Henry. 9 shades vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free. Ooh, it looks like pretty colors on the back. Look at that. Look at the pretty colors. Now let's actually open it. Ooh. Oh! Plastic attacked me. Oh! Didn't want to stay open either. Look at that. That blue is really pretty. Looks like a green from where I'm looking from the viewfinder, sorry. But it is a blue. Let's test it. It's kind of good. Here's the actual palette. Now for the last item. Pharmacy limited edition Pharmacy Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Oh my god, so this is to wipe away your makeup. I'm actually excited about this. It comes with a little... whatever. How do I open it? Oh. Oh. That smells like cherries. It should. I mean, it says cherry on it. It smells so good. Made exclusively for Boxycharm. A pink cherry scented version of our best-selling Green Clean Cleansing Balm infused with vitamin C rich acerola? ... Cherry. This nourishing facial cleansing balm melts away makeup and pollution residue. Even the boldest eye makeup and long-wearing foundation are easily removed, leaving skin hydrated. How to use. Gently massage onto dry skin. For eye makeup removal, apply to closed eyes, rinse with warm water, and wipe off with damp washcloth. So maybe I should try this after I'm done with this video, because I'm gonna wash all this makeup off. So, do you want me to do a video on that? Maybe I will. Sounds good to me. I gotta try fitting my camera into my bathroom. That's a mess. You guys get to see my messy bathroom. Maybe. That's if I decide to do it. I'm not gonna use this though. I'm just gonna... maybe I have to, because it did look like it was... look at that. Oh. Oh, that is really... that is... no, I might not need to use it. I just need to... we'll see. We'll see. So that's all that's in this box. See, no pamphlet. Luckily, each part has their own name on it. But you guys usually come with pamphlets. So now that you're not, I don't know how to feel. But thank you again for sending me the box, although I'm the one who purchased it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.